I'm Dave, been living here for 2 years now. My overall job is to coordinate the elephant volunteers to make sure they're all working properly, to make sure the elephants are cared for properly, and also to make sure the Thai staff are doing their jobs properly in terms of providing the correct medical care, providing the correct dietary enrichment, and that kind of thing. The volunteers here are absolutely essential to the running of this program. We have usually around 20 elephants here at one time, and we have about 11 to 12 Thai staff also taking care of them. However, the bulk of the job, so the cleaning of the enclosures, preparing food, harvesting the food so we can give them to the elephants, making dietary enrichment, also things like planting new grasses, planting new trees, in addition to sort of general centre maintenance around these enclosures, around this area. I mean, this is entirely done by the volunteers. We have as many as anywhere between 30 to 40 volunteers at the Elephant Refuge at one time, and we need all of those people to help us with this. So a typical day here at the Elephant Refuge for volunteers starts at 6:30. We get up and we feed the elephants before we feed ourselves. So we'll get up, we'll feed them some sort of supplements, we'll give them some plant food. After that, we'll be doing a lot of cleaning the enclosures, and many of our elephants will also be walked and showered. This is necessary to give them a good amount of exercise, to make sure they're moving well. And also the showering is essential for scrubbing their skin, making sure it's clean and healthy, and also checking for any abnormalities. These elephants are all very old, and skin conditions can be a big issue. In the afternoon, we'll be making some dietary enrichment, so making the feeding more interesting for the elephants. You know, we might put food in a tire, we might hang it in a tree, we might make a raft and put it in the lake. We want to try and make it as interesting for them as possible, of course, otherwise they will get bored here. Then there's a lot more cleaning. Of course, all that food has to go somewhere. And then we give them more supplements at the end of the day, and then it's a final big feed out. So, what volunteers might gain from volunteering here with the Elephant Refuge? Well, first of all, you will get friends for life. You'll meet people from all over the world. So not only do you have the social side of things, you also get to work hands-on with an endangered species of animals. I mean, you've got to think about just how amazing elephants are. You'll be walking with them, you'll be hand feeding them. I mean, you'll be making friends with these animals with amazing personalities, and that is something I guarantee you will have with you for the rest of your life.